Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. Would you like to tell us your name?
My name is Lola May.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm originally from Orange County, California, but I currently live in Seattle.
Okay, and what did you come in for, or what were your symptoms?
I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis in 2011. So my symptoms ranged from numbness, tingling, extreme pain, MS hug, which basically feels like you're wearing a corset around your abdomen area. Um, my hands felt like somebody's rubbing sandpaper on them all the time, bladder issues, a whole gamut of symptoms.
Okay, so what results did you get?
Well, first I got hope because none of the doctors had any hope. They just kept telling me there's no cure, you're just going to continue to get worse. And they kept giving me all these meds, and I didn't want to take them, but they were scaring me, saying if I stopped taking them now, I was going to just get worse and worse. And my sister, after about 8 years of telling me about Dr. Bergman, I finally came in to see him, and he first gave me hope that it is possible to reverse this. And I thought, well, I'll give it a shot. I've tried everything else, and he was right.
Very nice. So is there anything else that you'd like to add?
Well, from the beginning, it only took about 7 or 8 adjustments before my constipation and colon issues disappeared. From drinking water and doing the exercises that went along with the adjustments, that cleared up right away. So that gave me hope right away. And then just to see the difference from when I started to where I am now, I'm off all the medications. I did chelation and glutathione and vitamins and mineral IVs as well in the Tijuana office. And that really helped me get off all the meds because all of the things that the doctors said was going to happen to me, that got negated because I did the IVs as well. So now I'm off all meds. I was taking 6 of them twice a day. That's 1,800 milligrams of gabapentin twice a day. And now I'm off everything. And I'm juicing and I'm exercising and feeling so much better. And the pain is nothing like it was when I was on the meds. It's actually less, and it's continuing to go down, and I expect it to disappear altogether.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.